to our beloved directors, Mrs. Normanista C. Minjeta, to our dear principal, Ms. Rachel Blas, to our faculty members of the ELNAS, graduates, and my fellow parents, a pleasant good morning to all of you. Since I was assigned to render you the closing remarks, I have nothing more to say, just to give thanks and gratitude to all the people behind the success of our 11 commencement exercises. For the untiring effort of our faculty in molding our children. Thank you very much to the management and staff of the ELNAS School, and to our graduates, especially the high school graduates. As what Mommy said, this is not the end, but this is just the beginning of more trials and challenges in your life. The best thing that you can give to your parents is to give your diplomas, especially in college. Lahat yon, lahat ng hirap na dinanas namin mga magulang. Pag nabigyan nyo kami ng isang diploma, lalo na nakatapos kayo ng kolehiyo, it means lahat kayo makakapunta sa dapat nyo pupuntahan. And in behalf of the parents, of all us parents here, I am sure that ang dream natin na makatapos ang anak natin, malapit na tayong lumipas, sila naman ang magtutuloy. Mga anak, pinapakiusap ko at ng lahat ng mga magulang ninyo, natapusin ninyo ang pag-aaral nyo at masaya kaming iiwanan ang mundo. Kaya, mga anak, the only wish that I can give you, that sometimes you will succeed in life to become professionals. And of course, a good citizen of our society. And graduates, congratulations. And parents, congratulations too. And thank you very much. Have a good day. And God bless us all. Thank you.
Yeah.
Salamat po, Mrs. Guanlao. By the way, si Mrs. Guanlao po is one of our supporter. Yan po ay isa sa stage parent ng mga estudyante natin sa school. Among other parents, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsuporta sa ating eskwelahan at sa ating mga estudyante.